Hello traders, and welcome back to the Forex Geek. In today's video we're going to be talking about a concept that can significantly enhance your trading strategy, which is the SMT Divergence. So this concept offers valuable insights into potential market reversals and institutional player movements. So SMT divergence happens when two related assets or currency pairs show different signals at the same time. So stay tuned. In this video we'll explore its key components, real-world applications, and effective implementation strategies. Remember, understanding this technique will equip you with the knowledge to spot institutional footprints in the market, potentially leading to more informed trading decisions. So let's get started. So first, let's understand what SMT divergence is. So SMT divergence happens when two related assets or currency pairs, like I said, show different signals at the same time. So this often tells us that the market might change direction soon and gives us clues about what big institutional traders are doing at the time. It's like a hidden message in the charts that can help us predict where the market might go next. So there are two main types of SMT divergence. The first is the bullish SMT divergence, and the second is the bearish SMT divergence. So you can see on my chart this is basically market structure. You have higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, and higher highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows. This is basically how the market moves. So bullish SMT divergence, which in this case will be this, it occurs at the bottom of a bearish trend when one asset makes a higher high but its related pair doesn't make a lower low. So it suggests that the market might turn bullish. For example, this is a bearish trend with lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, and lower highs, but the market failed to create a new lower low. Why? Let's say GBP USD, remember it should be correlated assets, so currency pairs. So in this example I'm using Euro USD and GBP USD. So Euro USD made a lower low, but it failed to make another lower low to continue the bearish trend. But you can see GBP USD made a lower low also. So this can signify potential SMT divergence. You can see this. One pair made a lower low confirming the bearish trend, but another pair made a higher low, and this can signal that the market might change its direction to the upside. So that is for the bullish SMT divergence. So for the bearish SMT divergence, it's quite the same thing. It's just the opposite. It happens when one asset, or between the correlated pairs, happens when one of them makes a lower low but its related pair doesn't make a higher high. For example, this could mean the market is about to turn bearish. So for this example, you can see price on Euro USD making higher highs here, and on GBP USD made a higher high, but Euro USD failed to make a higher high for that same move at that same time. So this can signal that the market's about to confirm and start going bearish. So that is the bearish SMT divergence. So by spotting these patterns, you can get a better idea of when trends might change and how big players in the market are positioning themselves. So remember, SMT divergence isn't just about looking at one currency pair. It's about comparing related pairs and spotting differences. This broader view can give you insights that other traders might miss. It's a skill that takes practice to master, but once you get the hang of it, it can become a valuable part of your trading strategy. So let us go to live charts. So this is Euro USD and this is GBP USD. This is the 2-hour time frame on trading view. So that is the first step. First step is to select two correlated assets like the Euro USD and the GBP USD, or you could select the USD CAD and the USD JPY. Those are correlated assets, and you can see that they move they move alike. You can see this bearish trend here is almost exactly the same thing on the GBP USD. The bearish trend on the Euro USD is quite almost the same, but it is not the same, and that is why we have SMT divergence. So the first step is to look for instances where the price action of one asset diverges from its correlated pair. For example, you can see we were in an uptrend here on both GBP USD and Euro USD. Both pairs were bullish, but you see Euro USD making higher highs right here. See this? Let me zoom in. You can see Euro USD making higher highs right here. Right there, you can see Euro USD making higher highs, and GBP USD failed to make a higher high just as Euro USD was making a higher high. You can see that here. Instead, GBP USD was making higher lows and lower lows. You can see that this on Euro USD was bullish, but GBP USD had already started forming bearish signals, and this can signal that this can mean a potential bearish SMT divergence, like I explained before. And you can see after that, you see price giving us this push to the downside and this push to the downside, and that it continued, but that was first after the bearish SMT divergence right here. So that is how you can use the SMT divergence. Remember, always trade in line with the trend and look for chart patterns, or you can see this candle right here, which confirms that that's a rejection candle. That's a shooting star candle, and you can see that after that, price kept on giving us confirmations. You can see this right here, giving us confirmations that yes, we might be switching to the bearish trend. You can see this series of rejection candles right here. So it's always important you confirm your signals. Don't just enter blindly. Look for cues that also confirm your signals. You can also use other indicators like moving average or RSI or the MACD. For example, a moving average would have given us a cross right here, which will help us confirm this trend. So the next is the let me look for a bullish SMT. Okay, look at this one. You can see this one. For the bullish SMT divergence, price here was giving us lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower. But for the GBP USD was giving us higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, and it could signal that yes, we may be looking for a change to the bullish trend. You can see this right here, but this bullish trend didn't last that long. It was just a reversal to continue the bearish trend. The bullish trend later came, or you can see the bullish trend later resumed right here, kept on moving, but this was just for this massive bullish push. So you can see this bullish SMT divergence here. It's just clear. I decided to use it to give us an example. Okay, this is a clear one. All right, this is perfect. Now you can see price giving us lower lows, lower highs, lower lows on the Euro USD, But on the GBP USD, you can see price giving us higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, and higher highs, which could signal a potential bullish SMT divergence. And remember, I said you should always confirm. You can see this engulfing right here, and those that trade the SMC, this is another block, and the C price reacting off of that to give us a change, push to the upside. You can see that. So that is how you can use, this is a classic bullish SMT divergence. So you can see this one, this is another example. You can see this price was giving us let me put on my part 2. You can see this higher low right here, higher high, higher low, higher high. But on the GBP USD was giving us higher lows, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, and you can see that is a divergence, and that in this case is a bullish divergence. One pair doing exactly the opposite of what the other pair is doing, but they are correlated. So you can see this nice bullish push, and price confirmed it again with this divergence that we've explained, and you can see it's just all indications that price is now bullish. So that is how you can use the SMT divergence in your trades. So I believe we've explained this. We've explained what the SMT divergence is. It occurs when two related assets show different signals at the same time. So as with any trading technique, practice and experience are key to mastering SMT divergence. So alright traders, we've come to the end of this video. If you found the information we've discussed helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell to stay updated with more Forex trading insights and strategies. Happy trading, and we'll see you in the next video.